In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a transparent gradient in Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, social media post, or any graphic design project, mastering the art of transparent gradients can elevate your visual content quickly and effectively. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to make sure you have Canva open. If you haven't already, head over to Canva's website and log into your account. Once you're there, it's time to create your design. Choose the size or template that fits your needs. Canva offers a variety of options, from social media posts to flyers and invitations. This will set the stage for your transparent gradient masterpiece. Now that you've got a blank canvas, let's move on to adding that gradient. Navigate over to the Elements section on your left-hand toolbar. This is where you'll find a plethora of icons, shapes, and, in our case, gradients to work with. In the search bar within the Elements section, type Gradient and browse through the gradient shapes that come up. Explore the range, and once you've found one you like, go ahead and select it. With your chosen gradient selected, simply drag it over to your canvas. You can adjust it to cover the entire canvas or just a specific area, whichever suits your design. This flexibility allows you to play around with how the gradient interacts with other elements or images you might be using. It's really about finding that perfect balance for your project. Once your gradient is in place, click on the gradient element to select it. This is an important step because it enables you to modify its properties and make it transparent. With the gradient selected, notice the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll want to locate the transparency button. It's typically found on the upper right corner of the toolbar. Clicking it will allow you to adjust the opacity of your gradient. Now, here comes the fun part, adjusting the opacity. By reducing the opacity, you can control how transparent your gradient becomes. Slide the bar until you reach the transparency that aligns with your vision. This feature is incredibly useful for creating subtle overlays or adding depth to your design without overpowering it. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your work. Move over to the top corner of the page and click on the Download button. For preserving the transparency and quality, make sure to save your file as a PNG. This format is perfect for retaining any transparent elements you've worked so diligently on. And there you have it. You've just created a beautiful transparent gradient in Canva. By following these steps, you're now equipped to add exciting and professional levels of detail to your designs. Thanks for joining, and we can't wait to see what you'll create next.